Okay, I have cut this so that it's going to fit in this bottom hole here. And I'm not real worried about measurements as far as I am trying to make it look semi-level. So you can put the level up there. You don't have to be really accurate with this stuff, so this is just a Sharpie. You take and mark it where you need it cut. And then you can cut it where you mark the line. You can check it to make sure it looks like it's going to fit before you... Yeah, it's got plenty of play. Okay, I cut that on the line and I put a coupler on it. It's still a little wet, so I'm letting it dry a little bit. Now I'm going to go up and hope that this all fits the way it's supposed to.
What'd you just do there?
I just put some glue on the inside and the outside of the pipe. Makes it go better if you put glue on both parts. It goes together a little easier. And just force them in there. You shouldn't have to force them very hard to get them in there. If you have to force them, there's probably something wrong. And if you stick a level on it, that's reasonably level. That's not quite level, but it's level enough for we're not particular to what we need for level. It's more so for people that want their eyes to be lined up right, I guess. And then we're going to get a piece of lettuce. Move the letter to the middle so it's easier to work with. And I think I got something I can set it on. This one is not the right one, it's too short. Let's see if the other one's any longer. Okay, this one has a few pieces that broke off, but we're going to use it anyway. What little broke off shouldn't hurt anything. Now I have these little pipes stick out here that in the past I've stuck it on. This one is not in there all the way, but I'd be stick it in there just because it'll make life easier on me to hold this thing. And this one's the right length. like it'll fit right there. Hold it up a little when I drill it. Put a break there. I gotta go get the drill. Okay, I really don't like how this is, so I'm gonna move it to that one. That one. The gap here really won't matter if they're that tall. More than enough
For the beans to climb up?
the beams to hold up. And once again, I really don't care about level, so I'm not even going to worry about putting a level on it. I have the bolt, I have the nut on it, I have the wrench, and I have the screwdriver. Hopefully I won't drop them. Brief comedy routine if I move the ladder. Try and drill through the center of the tube. Nut on the back.
Oops, sorry.
Voila! Tighten it. If you look, it's nowhere near level, but it really doesn't matter. And some of the spots already have holes in the tube that I can reuse. Stuff is overly flexible. Just working my way down the top. Put a couple on the bottom and in the middle. So I'm going to drill here. over here. Goes in. And the roost. And voila, time for Titan. This plastic isn't real strong. This was from where it fell over right here, it cracked. I have also put one in the middle so that if I ever want to grow a gourd or something that weighs something, that this won't just be flopping around as much. And another screw. Ready? Because of my lack of measurement system, this is going to be in the way. Oh, we are just going to remove it. There, that's not in the way anymore. Obstruction cleared. I'm just going to drill another hole down here, here, and here. So we'll stop at 2 because it's easier. One thing with this lattice work is if you pay attention when you buy the lattice, they make a small hole lattice and a larger hole lattice. This is the larger hole lattice. If you get the small hole lattice, I've tried that, and some of the bushes won't go through it, and you can't get your hand through it to work on things. So you are probably better off getting the large pole lattice.